So for 2 hours in the morning, each kid gets an AI stack. And then outside of those 2 hours, they're touching grass. Have you heard of the Alpha School that's coming up in the States? So the Alpha School, the Silicon Valley school, private school that a lot of the CEOs are sending their kids to. This model, the scores are going through the roof. And they were looking into it. New York Times wrote an article. They're like, what are they doing at this school? So for 2 hours, this 2 hour block in the morning, each kid gets an AI stack. A tech stack of tools, a tutoring AI chatbots that each student works with that's personalized to each student. And then outside of those 2 hours, they're touching grass. They're focusing on their critical thinking. They're doing projects outside. They're doing more Montessori style learning, focusing on being human. The only rigor happens in that AI block in the morning, and then that's it. And this school is starting to pop up around the States, and obviously it's thousands of dollars, it's a private school, but you're gonna start to see people model and see, okay, is this where we're headed? Where teachers aren't called teachers anymore, they're called guides. And it's gonna be less about looking at the teacher for learning, looking at the AI for learning, and the teacher guiding you to do everything else, to teach them how to be human.